I wanted to answer a few questions that I had about my pride and joy right here, the Samsung Art Series Frame TV. First off, this is the remote, super compact, and it's solar powered, so you don't need to worry about batteries ever again. Another thing I love about it is the voice activation. So if you're looking for something on YouTube, Netflix, whatever, just hold it down, ask for what you want, and the TV will find it. Another feature I love is that when it's in art mode and you want to listen to Spotify from your phone, you can just connect via Spotify to your TV and the music will play from the TV and stay in art mode. The quality of the artwork is absolutely insane. So it really is very convincing and there's plenty of artwork to choose from in the art library. So whether you're into country cozy images, sports cars, artwork, animals, there is something for everyone. The TV is very easy to operate. It's just like a mobile phone. You can download all your favorite apps. The sound quality is excellent. The image quality is superb. You can also get different bezels for the frame of the TV. Just a little hack. This was a 20 quid mirror off Facebook. Took out the mirror, cut it down to size, gave it a paint job, and just slides straight onto the TV. It's awesome. So if you're looking for a TV that doubles as an artwork, I cannot recommend this one enough.